Hey, what's up with the YouTube 6 today? Here. Today I got something in the mail. Well, actually, today I'm going to be doing an opening today for something I got in the mail yesterday. So why did I get this video yesterday? Because I got off L. That's because off work, basically. That's why. So, and it's going to be a big collectibles Black Friday 8-pack bundle bag. Grab that, really. And of course, you guys know how this works. I ordered something from Big Collectibles because I like opening packs. Whereas this time, before I placed my order for it, I actually asked the Collectibles if they could add in the buddyfight packs. Because I actually wanted to open up some buddyfight packs, and they actually did it. Sweet! I had nothing but buddyfight packs, so hey, Big Collectibles, thanks! Here's rock. Here's rock. So let's say we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 buddyfight packs. So this is cool. We got 2 golden buddy packs, 2 buddy lineage packs, we got 2 Dragon Fighters Climax booster packs. We got 2 Buddyfight X All-Star Fight pack, All-Star Fight Solar Strike packs. Then we got 2 Future Buddyfight Dragon Chief packs. So, again, Big Collectibles, thank you so much for doing this for me. I mean, I don't mind the 20 packs. I don't mind opening a grab bag. I don't mind or random grab bags, but I just want to open nothing but buddyfight packs today. And it was like I got this yesterday from Big Collectibles, and yeah. So we got 10 packs of buddyfight. Let's see what we get, shall we? So we're gonna start off at the top, with Dragon Chief. Oh, nice! Danger World start off. It's a dual dragon. Blue Chase Dragon Guard. That's cool. Hey, look at that. One of Tetsuya's cards. Solomon Shield, dog. That's dope. And it looks like, what? Battle Unit Night Fighter plus an impact card. Checkmate. Let's see. Only cast this card if you do not have a monster in your center. You have 5 more different chests 5 or more different chess cards in your drop zone here. It's 4 life or less. Attack with a chess card on your field. You deal damage to your opponent with the attack, you win the game. This is a really cool card. And looks like we're ending things off with a 72 Pillars monster. Size 1. Demon Doctor Bar. Now, you remember this guy from Triple D. That's the guy that got to go see to fix his illness. Alright, time for drug choosing, guys. Oh, there's also really cool cards that are rare. Oh, awesome! Start with a really cool card from Dragon World now. Dragon Knight Leonidas. That is dope. I like that card. Oh. What? Okay, that's cool. From Danger World, another dual dragon. Soaring Dragon Sylphide. Critical 2. 5,000 power, 3,000 defense, size 1. Okay, Burning Sword. 4,000 power, critical 2. Quick crosses 1 gauge. That's cool looking. No way. Okay, so from Dragon World. The sky's in your hand. It's a counterspell. Turns all monsters on your field to your hand. I'm sorry, one of the board better says return all monsters on your opponent's field back to their hand. Not my monsters. And then, for the rare, from the Dragon Chief sets, we have Raruga Origami's key card from the first half of the from the original buddyfight anime. The first half of the original anime. His impact card, Drill Bunker. So yeah. If you guys don't remember this card at all, he actually used this card during during his fight when he was at Senkad for Kiri back in season 1 against Tetsuya. But you guys don't know what this card does. Which I don't know what this card does. I just know this card was a badass win condition for fucking Raruga. So that dude was a badass. Basically, it's an impact card, like I said. Pay 2 gauge. You only cast this card if you do not have a monster in your center. Assume you have one of your weapons on the field. Plus 4,000 power, plus 2 critical. And penetrate. The weapon is upright or standing. Attack with it. There's Drill Bunker. I thought those words so familiar than they should, because before Drum became Crimson Battle Drum in Buddyfight 100, he always said, "Crash! Drill Ram Bunker!" And of course he said that, a long time ago. Alright, now we're on to All-Star Fight. What the deuce? A dual card. Now, I don't know how many of you guys remember this whole thing, but in Buddy Fight 100 and in Season 1, a feature of Buddy Fight, Tasuku Ryuenji went through a phase in the first season where he joined the bad guys and became evil. He became he became known as the Purgatory Knight. And what I just pulled was a weapon card for Disaster. And it was Purgatory Demonic Swordsman Armor. The Purgatory Knight's Armor is a card from Dungeon World. And we'll dark figure that. Okay, so let's see. Okay, that's weird. It says it's an item. It has 1,000 power, 1,000 defense, and critical 1. Okay, let's see. One gauge. This card can attack you if monsters in your center. This card gets plus 1,000 power, plus 1,000 defense for each different disaster card. Your drop zone, there are some or more. This card gets plus 2 critical. Okay, so it's not so bad. From Danger World, we have Material of the Demonic Dragon, King Gorai. Oh yeah, that just looks badass. From Darkness Dragon World, Dark Deity Dragon, Jam Jammer. Size 3, 7,000 power, 7,000 defense, critical 2. Call cost is 2 gauge. This card can... This card on the field cannot be destroyed or harassed by your opponent's card effects. Counter. Activate your Blackest Dragon's Vi. Put the top 3 cards of your deck into the drop zone. If you do this, you see that plus this is power, plus this is defense, and plus 1 critical. Oh, that's not cool. But yeah. And okay. This card had been made with ball in mind. So basically this is a spell card with the Sun Dragon attribute from Dragon World. Cast cost is 1. Standing Sun Dragon on your field. And my opponent has no monsters on the center. I deal 1 damage to them. And basically is the card's called Pizza Race. So none of you guys remember this part from Triple D. Ball, who was Gal's buddy at the time, well during Triple D, was literally obsessed with pizza. Yeah. And of course, okay, now for the final card, for our double rare, ooh, special. Size 0. 1,000 defense, 3,000 power, 1 critical, lifelink of 1. Inch, apprentice underling, Kong. The perfect chief, when this card enters the battlefield, look at the top 3 cards of your deck. Put up to 1 drug chief, emperor, or size 3 monster from among them into your hand. Put the rest into the job zone. The perfect chief only activates once per turn. Okay, so far we've gotten some pretty cool rares. And a double rare. Let's get another dual card. Death Dragon Knight Davida. I'm not going to because he just freaks me out. Like literally, this dude is just freaking creepy. So I'm not even going to read him. Spawn of the North Dragon Booze. I mean, that's just weird right there. Of course, we have to get one of the biggest pricks in the show. In my mind, at least. Demon Lord of Demise, Kyoya. I'm not even gonna read this bitch because this guy is literally in my mind the biggest fucking prick in all of Buddy Fight. And for our last comment from Star Dragon World. He's a Prison Dragon. Size 3. 5,000 power. 5,000 defense. Critical 2. Score into this battlefield. Put 2 cards from your deck into the gauge. Black Crystal Dragon. Lucian Black. This guy looks fucking dope. And finally, for our rare Undying Wise King Count Dawn. Size 0. 4,000 power, 1,000 defense. Critical 1. 8 YR Sarcal. Legend World. And he's an Omni Lord. So yeah, I'm not gonna read it because this video's already getting too long. And we still got a bunch more packs left to go. Alright. Dragon Fighters. Control D. So we got a Weep Dragon Jr. That looks like a sad ball. Eliminator Sugar. Oh, and how he set spell now. We have Ride Changer Headquarters Maintenance Dock. Actually looks pretty cool. Uniform Warrior Hakuran Frill. Yeah, you don't want to sing for her. I don't like her. Nice one. You don't want to sing for this card, right? Good. It's because of these two characters on it. I won't get into detail because it's just. I have a reason for not liking those bastards, okay? Here we got 4 packs left. Well, 5. Another Weep Dragon Jr. Okay, another Sugar. Another Ride Changer Headquarters Maintenance Dock. What the F? Gigar DT. And this was the coolest card ever. Now is the time to awaken. Jet Black Dragon who rules over death. Luminize! Awaken Black Dragon! I got a Darkest Dragon World flag! That's cool! No, I don't like Darkest Dragon World, but I might actually, I got a bunch of cards. Oh, now I might as well just build a deck. But should I center on Shadow Dive or should I center around Spectrum Strike? Oh, sweet buns ace packs. So we got here. We got Bone Conductor Rebel Gallows. Size 0. Size 1. Critical 0. 0 power. 5,000 defense. Okay, that's weird. From Magic World. Resident Bonds leaked in Ducal height. Size 2, 5,000 power, 4,000 defense. Critical 1. A spell? Ice Emperor's Judgment. Dungeon World, Demon Lord. Okay. Dragon Knight Thomas Edison. I don't know we had a buddy fight card named after him. That is cool. For a rare, we have Heaven's Sunshine. Oh, another impact. Bone Puppet Despair. Okay, that looks pretty creepy. Another set spell. Gate of Ruins, Greed. That just looks creepy. Oh, God. Sweet! This goes to transform ability. Shadow Hero Vice and Swords. That's what they did there. What is it? No, Bushiroad makes another card game called Vice Shores. So, Vice and Swords. Oh, buddy, you never cease to amaze me. That's a rare for this set. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Valkyrie all-knowing outwitted old. And here is oh, I do not have this card. I got this card in my deck. Jackknife Gold Krieger. Like, that is dope. Jackie boy. Alright, last 2 packs. So we're going on for 20 minutes. Dragon Knight Slamming. Cloud's Orbit, Armor Eagle Ace, Sky Dragon Japaro, First Tribulation, Gold Lion, Anemia, and of course, Nippon Sabi Fukuro. Infectious Malevolence Ubidium, Extreme Prisoner Zviger, Breakthrough Ninja Dustin Maru, Skeleton Armor Dragon, Medogrius, Young Pope Alex, and finally, one of the coolest cards on the set, Drum Bunker Dragon Dual Wield. So that's cool. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We're using a full deck of cards here. But yeah, once again, a big thank you to Biggie Collectibles for giving me my requests of nothing but Buddy Fight packs. Hopefully next show on Black Friday I can do your 100 Buddy Fight bundle pack. Because that would be awesome to open up 100 Buddy Fight packs. Well, I might have to separate them into multiple chunks. In like chunks of videos. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you next time. Peace!